Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a technical video to discuss some of the technical aspects and give you an idea of the installation of the product for a multi-lift shown in a special version with a vertical drive actuator in a Polaris Ranger, very typical four-door UTV. This modification may be available also for other models of UTV, but this is the one we've developed at this time. Okay, so here you see the entire unit. We want to really kind of dig in here to explain to you a little bit about the product. So the only part that actually stays with the UTV is this part right here. You're going to have this in the down position when you're traveling, or when a non-disabled person, the person without a disability, is going to be able to use that. So there's your product right there. Of course, your pendant that can be stowed inside. You're going to want to keep that inside, or you can actually throw it around the back there when it's not in use to lift a person with a disability. Okay, we have a couple of different pieces here. So the first piece that goes in, that's going to be your primary swing arm, secondary swing arm, spreader bar. The sling, there's a video in the notes field down below talking about placing the sling, etc. But you do not have to have the sling in place. That's the most important thing. You can put the sling on after you are already in the chair. Okay, so we've got 3 different Velcro points here. Just depends on where you are and where you'd like to have the access to it. All right, you do know about the use of the product here, but I'll kind of rise a little bit just to be able to point out things a little better. Right here, factory bolt holes. Right in here, very, very tight and difficult to see where the factory seatbelt attachment is. We have connected to that tab right there. Okay, and I'll rise up. Across the rear here, I'm going to show you right. So we're tied into the factory seatbelt location right up here. So 0 holes drilled in the vehicle. This is where your backup crank is going to go. There's a crank handle that goes in there in case there's ever an electrical failure or a failure of the product for any reason. You can move this thing up and down. There's a pad right there to keep you from getting a major headache. If you're riding around on a real bumpy trail, obviously you have to be very careful there. So that is a super clean installation. Installation is extremely simple. You simply have to run a power wire and a ground wire to do the install. So it shouldn't take that long, other than running the power and, of course, putting a breaker in. Thanks for watching this detailed video. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter. You can follow us at accessun. Instagram @Access Unlimited, Pinterest Access Unlimited, 2 words, and we're on TikTok as well. And you can check us out, of course, on our YouTube channel with over 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. Contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com, or give us a phone call 8 to 5 Monday through Friday Eastern Standard Time in the United States, country code 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Hope you like the multi-lift shown for use in the Polaris Ranger, and we're always innovating and coming up with different ideas. Keep you mobile, hunting, fishing, doing whatever you love with the products that we make. Have a great day.